Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1956 Dodge half-ton pickup. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Red, black interior. But before we get too deep into this vehicle, just want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Resto mods, luxury cars, European, exotics. About 80% of the inventory is domestic, classic cars, and then the other 20%, as I mentioned, will be European, luxury, or exotic. It's a beautiful 67 Lincoln. Not going to go through the whole inventory, but just want to give you a quick look of what we have. If you're not in Florida, do not worry, as we do ship vehicles all over, and we can help manage that process if you need to and you're not in Florida and you like this 56 Dodge or any other vehicles. As a Viper sitting right next to it. Any other vehicle that we have in inventory, we can ship it anywhere. In 2024, we shipped to 19 different US states and about 7 different countries around the world. If you have financing needs or want financing, we can also help you there as well. Just give us a call at 941-355-1955 and we can help you with financing, or visit the website, as we do have a finance tab on the website, and you can fill out an application right there at classiccarsofsarasota.com. But back to this beautiful 56, you can see the paint is in excellent condition on it, shines very well. Engine bay is in good condition. The bed is beautiful, nice wood, nicely done. The black metal straps and light wood. Just an absolutely beautiful example of a 56 Dodge pickup. As the folks know, the Christmas truck, Christmas tree truck, as everybody talks, is a Ford, a very similar age to this Dodge. Wide white wall tires, Dodge Moon hubcaps, bumpers are black front and back. Just an absolutely gorgeous vehicle here. As I mentioned, the paint does shine very well. It does have a flaw here on the door. It looks like somebody had scratched it at some point and then touched it up. Again, there you go. You can see it a little bit there. Again, if I'm going too fast with the camera, please don't hesitate to go to the website, as we have over 100 pictures of all our vehicles on the website. And much better light, and the pictures are taken outside with palm trees in the back, bright light so you can see it. As I mentioned, the black and gray bench seat, matching red dash to the exterior color. Just a beautiful vehicle here. We'll go ahead and start it up. I did fail to mention it is a 3 on the tree here. So it is a 3-speed manual, 6-cylinder. It does have the old-fashioned starter. It just starts right up. And again, sorry for the darkness of the pictures, the video here inside. Make sure we're in neutral. Vehicle runs very well. Let you listen to the engine. As I mentioned earlier, had black bumpers. You see the black grille. Engine runs and sounds as it should. Nice inline 6-cylinder. Period correct. The exhaust. No smoke or anything. Just a beautiful little vehicle here if you're looking for something to go to a car show with, out to dinner, or if it's Christmas time and you want to put a tree in the back, you will be the star of your neighborhood and community for sure. Just a beautiful vehicle. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And thank you for joining in.